has issued an Amber Alert for Philip Olive Weideman, who goes by Ollie, a white boy, 6 years old, 4 feet tall, weighing 50 pounds. He has blonde hair, blue eyes, last seen wearing a blue polo shirt, tan shorts, and tan shoes. Police are also looking for Candace Rochelle Harbin in connection with the abduction. She is a 46-year-old white woman, 5'6", 165 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. The suspect is driving a 2012 white Nissan Quest with Texas plates FLW 5767. The suspect was last heard from in Waxahachie. Anyone with information on this alert, contact